Hey everyone, want to create cinematic videos with Pika AI? In this video, I'll show you how to make professional-looking AI videos with a cinematic style step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Pika AI website. Sign in to your account and click Create *** to start a new project. Next, choose *text to video * or image to video *, depending on how you want to begin your project. Now write a detailed prompt describing your scene. Include the subject, location, lighting, camera movement, mood, and cinematic style. Prompts like *golden hour lighting, *shallow depth of field *, dramatic camera movement *, or film-like color grading can help create. If available, adjust settings such as video length, aspect ratio, quality, and style to match your project. Click Generate * and wait while Pika AI creates your video. Once it's finished, preview the result and see if it matches your vision. If needed, refine your prompt by adding more details or changing the camera movement, lighting, or visual style, then generate another version. When you're satisfied, download your finished cinematic video or share it directly from the platform if sharing options are available. And that's how you make cinematic videos with Pika AI. With detailed prompts and a little experimentation, you can create stunning AI-generated videos that look more professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.